Personal financial planning is the process of managing your financial resources to achieve specific life goals and objectives. Financial goals are specific objectives that individuals or households set to achieve their desired financial outcomes. Financial planning helps individuals identify and prioritize their financial goals. Financial planning assists individuals in managing their debts responsibly. By adopting a disciplined approach to investing, individuals can build wealth over the long term and achieve their financial objectives. Personal financial planning is the process of managing your financial resources to achieve specific life goals and objectives. It involves assessing your current financial situation, setting realistic goals, developing strategies to achieve those goals, and regularly monitoring and adjusting your financial plan as circumstances change. Financial goals are specific objectives that individuals or households set to achieve their desired financial outcomes. These goals provide clear direction and purpose for financial planning and help individuals prioritize their spending, saving, and investment decisions. Financial goals can vary widely based on individual circumstances, priorities, and life stages, but generally fall into several broad categories, including emergency fund, debt repayment, lifestyle expenses, retirement planning, education funding, major purchases, legacy. Importance of financial planning to individual. Importance of financial planning include goal setting. Financial planning helps individuals identify and prioritize their financial goals, whether short-term, for example, purchasing a car or saving for a vacation. Medium-term, for example, buying a house or funding education. Or long-term, for example, retirement planning or estate planning. It enables individuals to articulate their aspirations and develop a roadmap for achieving them. Budgeting and expense management. Financial planning involves creating and sticking to a budget, which helps individuals track their income and expenses effectively. By understanding their spending patterns, individuals can identify areas where they can save money, reduce unnecessary expenses, and allocate resources more efficiently towards their financial goals. Debt management. Financial planning assists individuals in managing their debts responsibly. It helps individuals evaluate their debt obligations, prioritize repayment strategies, and avoid accumulating excessive debt burdens. Through prudent debt management, individuals can improve their creditworthiness, reduce interest costs, and achieve financial stability over time. Risk management. Financial planning involves assessing and mitigating various financial risks that individuals may face, such as income loss, health emergencies, disability, or unexpected expenses. It includes strategies such as purchasing insurance coverage, for example, life insurance, health insurance, disability insurance, and others. Building emergency funds and establishing contingency plans to protect against unforeseen circumstances. Investment planning. Financial planning helps individuals develop investment strategies tailored to their financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. It involves evaluating different investment options, for example, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate, and asset allocation strategies to optimize returns while managing risk. By adopting a disciplined approach to investing, individuals can build wealth over the long term and achieve their financial objectives. Retirement planning. Financial planning helps individuals prepare for retirement by estimating future income needs, assessing retirement saving goals, and developing retirement income strategies. It involves evaluating retirement savings vehicles, for example, employer-sponsored plans, individual retirement accounts, and investment options to build a sufficient nest egg to sustain desired lifestyle expenses during retirement years. Legacy and estate planning. Financial planning encompasses legacy and estate planning considerations, including the transfer of assets, designation of beneficiaries, and implementation of wealth preservation strategies. It helps individuals articulate their wishes regarding the distribution of assets, minimize estate taxes, and ensure the orderly transfer of wealth to future generations or charitable causes. The process of financial planning is a cycle that involves the following: determining your current financial situation, setting financial goals, developing and evaluating alternative courses of action, developing and implementing financial plans, execution of plans, revising plans, Securities and Exchange Commission, ensuring investor protection.